Hi guys, coming to you with my first weekend lockdown day in my life, or at least 2 days in my life. So I'm gonna start off with doing my wig, because you know you can't go out with your wig looking weird. And then I'm going to do a quick clean of my bathroom. Well, that's a lot of fabuloso for one toilet, but what do we know, right? And I'm gonna spray down my tub and all that good stuff, because you got to be squeaky clean. Gonna do my face mask, and yeah, look at that. It's that easy. Look like I'm just cleaning everything, because there's my clothes. And then while I'm doing that, I'm gonna go get some mint tea, because you cannot sleep on the bush mint, right? Can I get an amen? Can I get an amen? So I'm gonna put that to seep real quick, because the water is gonna be ready by the time I move into the next part of my morning. And you know, you have to drink water while my face mask is drying. I'm all about the multitasking, are you? Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, like I said, the water is ready and we are gonna have that seep while I'm gonna go check on my clothes to make sure that they're ready to be hung out, and just take in the niceness that is this nature. Because you know, although there's blue skies, we cannot go anywhere because we are on lockdown. You see me laughing, but it's really sad. It's really sad. So let me just drink my mint tea and keep on my mouth and just take in the morning, the nice breeze, the nice and yeah, like I was saying, I don't know what to do right now, because I'm just taking my own sweet time, because we have nowhere to go. I think it's now 7 o'clock or 7:30 minutes to 8. It's a big jump, but what can I do? But look at look at the cats. They obviously know what's up and how to enjoy the morning other than doing work. But you know, I had some stuff to do. I had some errands to run in the house and do some chores. So let's just do that. But while I'm drinking my tea, I'll just watch Baker and Beauty. It's an interesting show, but nothing to write home about. And now I'm just gonna get my face off. You know, you have to get that glow with Lancome and Good Molecules, because you know, take care of yourself, take care of your skin, and look glowing all day. Say it with me. We are glowing, we're growing, and we're glowing. Like I just keep looking back outside, because I'm just like, look at that light, and I am in my house. So of course we're continuing on to hang out my clothes and still look at nature. I don't know what is wrong with me and basking in the fact that nature is so great to me in the days, and this is how I create my content. You can see I'm a pet lover, obviously, a whole pet lover. And you see, he loves me too. Look at him. Just look at him. Look at him. And he loves the belly rubs, you know. He loves a belly rub. Oh God, is he sleeping? Okay, enough of that. Gonna get ready for the 75th time for real now, because I just got a call saying he's outside. Let's go. Alright, so we're on the road finally. I'm not even sure what time it is. It's probably like 1 o'clock, or it's probably 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. Who knows? But we're on the road again. On the road again. I never knew I'd be so happy to be outside. Let me just bask in this. Oh, Lord. And we're not even going far, you know. We're not even going far, but I don't care. I'm enjoying it to the fullest, and I am taking you guys with me. They did not disappoint. Short-lived because of the time. I think they closed at 2:30, so we had to get out of there real quick. But we are back on the road. We're just gonna hang out a little bit and stay in the traffic and enjoy each other's company, you know. And then we're gonna just head back home because we have nothing else to do, right? Aha! And can I tell you that he is hilarious? Oh gosh. But you know, we were heading back when we got caught in traffic, like real traffic, and look what's playing. Curfew is at 4 o'clock and we're on the road still. But the grace of God's side that no police would be on our backs, and we both got home. Oh my god, I can't get over this dog. I'm sorry guys, you're gonna see him quite a lot in my videos, as well as my umpteenth billion cats. And I'm trying to just get love from them, but they don't want my love. But it's alright. Oh god, gotta wash off the day and get back in my little big t-shirt, do a little self-care. My nails are done and now I am back to my bed because I have nothing else to do, right? Yeah so eventful. I'm gonna continue watching Bake Up Beauty or whatever they call themselves on Netflix. It was a good watch when you're not doing anything, and then day turned to night real quick, and we had Saturday soup, which, you know, in the Jamaican household you can't sleep on Saturday soup. So guys, gonna just go because today was a good day even though nothing was done. But bye. Day 2. You thought I was done, don't? Not done, but it takes a while for me to get up, so let's just wait. Let's just wait. Lord girl, get up, man, get up. Oh god, what am I gonna do today though? So I'm dancing on the way to the bathroom. Why? I don't know. Get ready with my self-care on my face, and you know, shower for the 6th time. But you know, you're gonna make do with what you got. But apparently I'm going somewhere because I am looking at doing my eyebrows. Nah, it doesn't make a difference to me, but what can I say? What can I say? So it's a casual day, it seems, because look what I'm wearing, but I don't care. You got nobody to impress. There's nobody to impress. And yeah, gotta get a little dangling on. I love those, by the way. So where am I going though? I don't even remember. But you gotta get your mask. Get your mask. Whenever you go anywhere, don't forget it. Like, it could save your life, right? Let me just do that little disclaimer. Hi James. Hi Jamie. Oh god, he warms my heart. And if you're not a puppy lover, then well, I can't help you. So I'm gonna take a little time to just rub his tummy before I leave. But oh god, made my day, made my whole day. Back on the road with who? Back on the road with my bestie, and we're gonna go try to find food. I was ready to take on the KFC line. Look at me walking fast and bare things and taking shortcuts, but best believe the KFC line was non-existent. Like, I actually got in and out in record time. I was shocked, but I wasn't complaining because I was happy to not have to, bust out my Candy Crush to start playing while I waited, right? Y'all can relate? I know you can relate. So now we are going to Popeyes because, well, I really don't know why we're going to Popeyes, but I guess we both wanted something different. And, with this lockdown, and lockdown is at 2 o'clock, mind you, we just decided to take our sweet time to both places. Like, this is what we call an adventure. Well, same thing happened with Popeyes, really, because, it was, as you can see, it's empty, which was a big thing. And the guy, he felt so safe that he dropped his money, like $2,000 on the floor, so we had to give it to him. That was the only great thing that happened in our lives. But like I said, look at Popeyes, empty, and look at all that chicken. Just I don't know what I'm going to do with the chicken. But like I said, we went in and out both places, and we're just gonna hang out until say 1 o'clock, watch a show or something while we eat our fast food, and then go back inside because Andrew's like, Hannah, your yard, like, seriously, stay home. So look at Halfway Tree. Halfway Tree is normally packed, and basically you could find parking spaces and not have to fight for a parking space in Tropical Plaza. It was very interesting to see, right? But yeah, my little adventure, my little day out has come to an end, and we are going back home. Yeah. I'm not gonna cry. But bye. And we made apple crumble as well as banana bread in the time, because when you have nothing to do, you end up baking. Does anybody else do that? And I had to get my water in, wash off the day to put on my t-shirt, rinse and repeat, the same thing that was done yesterday. I'm back in bed. What am I watching today though? I think or not. Well, that's okay too, right? That's okay too. That's okay too. I mean, I gave me kudos for actually waking up before the sun went down. But yeah, I think I slept a lot. I mean, curfew was 2 o'clock, so you can understand that I probably slept for like 3 hours. So we're up. What are we gonna do? Where is this gonna take me? Lord have mercy. So yeah, banana bread did a thing, and yeah, I started Orange is the New Black. Do not come at me, guys. I know I'm late, but it doesn't matter. Better late than never. And this show is wild. So this is dinner: rice and peas, curry goat, stir fry vegetables, and I think some candied sweet potato, but I didn't have that because I'm still on a diet. So I just had the stir fry and a little bit of curry goat because I wasn't really feeling for a lot. And besides, I kind of wanted a sorrel bear to commemorate the fact that I survived a whole weekend lockdown. Jokes. All right, guys, bye.